The first line that you will put down on your paper will be for the bangs, and it will begin at the top of the head and go down to the middle of the left ear. Then you want to continue this line down to the neck and add a slight curve towards the bottom. On the right, you will bring the line down to right under the ear. Slightly above the lines that we just placed, we will begin drawing the top of the hairstyle. And now we can begin the fun part, which is drawing in the waves. And this part is kind of up to you. You can make your hair as big and voluminous as you want it to be by adjusting the size and distance of these curves. For me personally, I like my hair with a lot of volume, so I'm drawing in my curves pretty big and spread apart. On the right, I'm going to bring this line down a little bit. And on the left, you're going to draw a curve a little bit outside of the line for the neck. Alright, so now we want to connect everything together by drawing in the tips of the hair. For this part, you can kind of do your own thing. You don't have to copy exactly what I'm doing. As long as you connect everything together, you will get a very similar result. Now what I'm doing is erasing some of those lines on the left that we no longer need. This includes the left ear, the left side of the face, and the neck. The next thing you want to do is go back and darken all the lines that you've placed on your paper so far. I just zoomed in here so you can see a little bit better, but I'm giving her an earring, and you can do any shape that you'd like, but for this hairstyle I decided to do a little heart. So we're almost done here. This is the final step. We will be drawing in the wavy pattern on the inside. Make sure to do this part very lightly. This will give our hair some more definition. So now you can go back and fix or darken any lines that you need to. But we're all done, and I hope this wasn't too complicated. I tried to break it down as much as I could. If you guys attempt this, please send it to me in my email. I would love to see it. And make sure to check out some of my other tutorials. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.